Welcome back. I'm going to tell you some ticker symbols that I believe, 3 ticker symbols that I believe that will 3x or even 5x your profits. Let's look at one ticker symbol right now. So IQST. This stock I purchased around 43 cents, and now it's shooting back up. It shot back up a high of $1.85, but then it shot back down when it sold off a couple days when the Nasdaq sold off a couple days ago, but now it's shooting back up. So what did they do? I'll just show you the website. So IQST, they provide services for telecommunication, electric vehicle, and liquid fuel distribution, chemical, financial services industries. They have a lot of different industries that they touch: telecom technologies, fintech, blockchain. Blockchain technology with Bitcoin and stuff like that. See, they have $18 million in the revenue FY19, 2019, and a $1 $44.8 million revenue preliminary FY 2020. And the forecast will increase for FY 2020, 21 of 60 million. So that's a $20 million increase. So they're a US-based publicly listed company offering leading-edge telecommunications and technology services to the global markets, and has a presence in 13 countries. And they are companies services in telecommunication, electric vehicle, liquid fuel distribution, chemical, and financial services industries. And they're backed by, they do telecom, technology, fintech, blockchain, worldwide B2B and B2C customer relations, operating with its subsidiaries, and these are all their subsidiaries. Services blockchain, and these are all the other things that they do: batteries, EV, telecommunications, 5G. They touch on all these different sectors. And as we know, telecommunication 5G is increasing. They're increasing in popularity. Blockchain due to the increase in Bitcoin, EV, and everybody loves EV right now because Biden's new Green New Deal. And let's just look at their finances. Let's go Yahoo Finance. Let's look at their financials. So 2017, no revenue at all. So they are increasing revenues year to year. So that's a positive sign. Let's see what's so another thing you have to look for is their balance sheet. They have total assets over liabilities. So the assets do not cover all what they're liable. So what's bad about it is that they're increasing in liabilities. So they're liable for, let's see, all the current liabilities. See, all these are like pension payable to employees, accrued expenses. These are expenses in equipment costs, something like that. Payable to other people. So they're racking up the liabilities, but they don't have enough to cover those liabilities, which their assets are like their building, cash, so that's the bad thing about them. And they're increasing number of shares. But they already said share dilution will not occur, so check mark on no share dilution, but increasing number of shares, which is not that good. So, but let's see, cash flow. Okay, they're not making any cash coming in. Free cash flow not there, but the one thing I like about this company is that they touch in all different sectors like EV, telecommunications, blockchain. So let's see what the analysis thing. No, no, no available data. So let's go to the next ticker symbol. The next ticker symbol that I'm looking at is Asia Broadband Ordinary Share. So A ticker symbol AABB. This was, let's see the monthly chart. So this was a low of 0 cents actually. For in inception, uh, it went a high of 54 cents. Wow. In February 2nd, 22nd, 2021. It went all the way back down. So these, you can see how the penny stocks to work. They can shoot up really high, and then it drops back down. And then, you know, you can see it's 65% up today. So you put your money here, you can make, 65% of that back. But what I like about them is because, as you can see the website, let's see, blockchain. App. So AABB, they're a cryptocurrency wallet for the Asia market. And right now in finance is 102 rated in finance with the number 14 ratings. And they do pretty much the same thing as Voyager, which I talked about on the other. Voyager is a good stock to buy. And they do pretty much like Coinbase, Voyager, just buying Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, all these famous popular coins right now. And the transactions could be just like a blockchain wallet, and they have good security backed by really good security. 20 cryptocurrency supported. I'll just name a few: Ethereum, Litecoin, Dash Wallet, Tether, and these are. I'll read some of it. Sophisticated security in PIN code protection, low withdrawal fees, mostly the same stuff that all the other people, and good reviews, but only 14. So that's kind of But this is interesting play. Like Voyager, this is another play that you can 3x your money if it goes to $1. That's you just 3x your money. So another ticker symbol is Rolls-Royce or RYCEY stock. So this stock is interesting because it plays in with the space aeronautics. Rolls-Royce, everybody knows the car. Everybody knows the second car, but nobody knows that they're the second largest maker of aircraft engines after General GE, and has major business with marine propulsion and energy sectors. So they also the 16th largest defense contractor in 2018 measured by their defense revenues. So they're really they're a big company, established company, and they have 50,000 employees in 2020. So they're established. But let's look at their stock. Okay, so their stock value is significantly dropped. So this you can see from January 24th, 2020. That's before the pandemic, but when the pandemic hit, it dropped all the way to, let's see, $3, but it's continually dropping. But a lot of bull case thesis say this will increase to back where it was, maybe $3, could be $9 again. But because this is the lowest it can get, and they have a lot of good news coming out. They have a lot of but you can see the risk involved: $4 billion loss. There could be they could be declare bankruptcy. Who knows? And see, they're planning to sell assets, and there's a lot of bad news, but there's also good news. So it's a gamble. Okay, let's see their financials. Steadily increasing now, up and down action. See you can see the 5-day chart. Up and down action. A little bit going a little bit higher. And let's see the financials. So as you can see, the finances are decreasing, so not good. And let's see cash flow. No, balance sheet first. So the assets does not cover all their liabilities, so this is bad. So their assets are decreasing every year. They have a lot of liabilities, paying employees, payment of let's see what else they have. They have debt, huge debt. This is in millions. So so that they have a huge debt right now. And yeah, so ordinary shares. Let's look at their shares. So they're offering more shares, which is not that great, because they could dilute some shares. Get some. They want to get your money, so they dilute it so they can pay off their debt, something like that. And let's also look at other liability, long term. So the long term debt and capital. So these are increasing too. That's increasing long term debt. So all these are rolling over, having more debt and more debt. Okay, let's look at the cash flow. No, it's not that good. They're not bringing any money at all. And they have 3 million that they cannot give back to their free cash flow means that they can give back to the investors. They have no money to give back to you guys, so it's a gamble. Put 1,000 in, maybe it'll go to 2. So I'm just looking at it. I have no before, just to let you know, I have no positions in any of these stocks. Just to show to you, just for fun. Thank you.